So in today's video, I'm going to run you through the top 3 fat loss tips that I give to all of my clients, anybody who works with me for fat loss goals, anyone who gets a personalized training program, nutrition program for me. These are the top 3 things that I advise them to do for fat loss goals. So first on the list is some form of measurement, and I mentioned here both weight and waist circumference. So on the weight front, what I advise my clients to do is to weigh themselves at least 3 times a week. Add each of those weights together to give them their average weight for the week, and do that each week. Don't take into consideration the individual weights, but use the average weight as the weight to track. Now, in addition to that, I would also urge taking a waist circumference reading, because what can often happen is the scales might not move at all or as quickly as we might expect, but the inches may move. So you may have lost some fat, particularly if you're partnering a fat loss program with a strength program, and you may very well have been gaining some muscle. So that's number 1 on the list. Second on the list, very kind of a niche piece of advice that I give to my clients is this: create a new album in your phone. Pick one day of the week, same time, same mirror, same conditions, as few clothes as possible. Take a photo, add it to the album, and repeat that each week for your fat loss journey. Now, over the course of weeks and perhaps even months, you'll be able to scroll through and look and scan across all of these different changing photos. Because again, quite often, if you're losing a couple grams here, a couple 100 grams here, a couple kilos here, you might not actually notice the changes. Whereas when you go back and look through this album, you're going to see in real time your body composition changing before you. And the final piece of advice is to hit a step goal. I generally advise my clients to try and hit at least 6,000 or 7,000 steps a day as religiously as possible. This is just useful to get the energy expenditure up to a certain level and maintained at a certain level. So there you have it, 3 very simple fat loss tips that I give to all of my clients.